Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make sour cream with yogurt. It's surprisingly simple and requires just a few common ingredients you likely already have. You'll need 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and a tiny pinch of salt. Using full-fat yogurt is key for achieving that rich, creamy texture we all love in sour cream. Make sure your yogurt is unflavored and unsweetened for the best results. Now let's get mixing. Take your 1 cup of plain yogurt and gently pour it into a small bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This is what gives our homemade sour cream its characteristic tang. Finally, sprinkle in about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and all ingredients are perfectly combined. It's that easy. Once your ingredients are well mixed, it's time for a little patience. Cover your bowl and place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is crucial because it allows the flavors to fully meld together, creating a more harmonious taste. More importantly, it helps the mixture thicken, giving you that wonderfully firm and spreadable consistency you expect from delicious sour cream. Don't rush this step. Your delicious homemade sour cream is now ready to enjoy. To keep it fresh, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will maintain its quality for about 5 to 7 days, so you can savor it throughout the week. This versatile condiment is perfect as a dollop on baked potatoes, a cool topping for spicy tacos, or as an ingredient in your favorite dips and dressings. Enjoy your fresh creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.